Welcome to my channel, exploring old technologies and seeding new ideas. Let's begin. Back in 2022, we received a gift of some Clancy Seeds. Seeds to plant potatoes instead of using eyes. How unique. In March of 2023, we put these seeds into our LED growing light room, where they started off as scrawny legged seedlings. In May, these plants were joined by others in the upstairs sunlight growing area, hopefully to build up their strength and size. Despite a few failures, more healthy versions made their way out to the deck marshalling area before heading to the greenhouse. After a short stay in the greenhouse, the Clancy potatoes were moved outside into planting bags to face the summer elements in July. This is when we first got to see the beautiful purple flowers. Finally, in September, we got to see the first potatoes in our unearthing ceremony. Push it towards me. There's a potato. That's Clancy's.
Not many.
Well, how many do you want? Well, I see 5 already. Push the dirt towards me. So let me come down and get a good shot here, close shot. Wow, those are really good looking potatoes. I can hardly wait to get them in a pot and have me some Clancy's. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be looking forward to preparing another one for you soon.